Hello, this is Sami Chohfi. Thank you so very much for joining me. I'm going to take you to India, where we filmed 2 music videos for my songs This Majesty and Dirtier Soul. This is one of the most beautiful countries that I have ever had the pleasure to visit. Some of the most kind, loving human beings you'll ever meet. Definitely the cutest kids on the planet. Never thought that I would see so many cows just roaming freely, but they're very sacred animals, and so if a cow gets in the road, you better wait until they decide to get up and move. But I'm going to take you with me on some of our adventures here. Some of the images happen pretty quickly, but I will do my best to keep up with it. So the first place that we filmed for This Majesty was on the Ganges River. And we did some drone shooting, and the very, very first 3 minutes of filming, the drone decided to take a dive on us into the water, as I think you'll be seeing here shortly. And here we go. Beautiful, isn't it? And there goes the drone. Thankfully, we had 2. One of the locals wanted to go down there and get it, but to no avail. From Old Delhi, we went to Alwar. The drive to this city was incredible. Some of the people that I met on the way, the locals, just this dude right here. This is my long-lost grandfather from another life. I love this dude. The people we met along the way were so special, and it's just so gorgeous, the country. India should be on your bucket list, everyone, I tell you. Again, I connected with everyone that I met there, especially the kids. My friend and the gentleman who filmed all this, Alexander Suplicy, was just absolutely in awe always of the sights that we were seeing, the people that we were meeting. His wife Adriana, my wife Renata, they were with us every step of the way. It's just so special. This right here is a holy man that I met. Really, really cool dude. He was giving me blessings. We went to Jaipur. This by far is my favorite city in India. It is the pink city, and it's absolutely gorgeous. We did a lot of filming for the video here. We went to Nahagarhat Fort, which is a horrible pronunciation, but nonetheless, here it is. We did a lot of drone shooting here, but it was not easy getting permission and getting people to jump on board to what we were doing. Pretty much everywhere we stopped was something else beautiful to see. As you can see here in these shots, just such a majestic and absolutely breathtaking place. I love this spot. This was during the Dirtier Soul video. It was called Patrika Gate, one of the most colorful, beautiful places you'll ever visit. Also on the streets of Jaipur, the snake charmers. Oh man, these guys are great. So here is another drone incident. We were facing Hawa Mahal, and I'm doing my second take here, and this is what kept happening. Somebody would say, yeah, you have permission, and then all of a sudden some people would come up and say, no, you have no permission. We got the cops to say okay, still, it didn't matter. This is the second time someone came up to kick me off the roof. But we got our shots nonetheless. Thankfully, we were able to get through 90% of the song. This is now Agra. Agra is the location of the Taj Mahal. Yes, the Taj Mahal is as amazing as everybody says it is. These are all shots in the Taj. There's me playing celebrity. And, time for the Dirtier Soul backstage. Yeah, behind the scenes. These kids were phenomenal. I love these kids. They love the song. They love the energy. We had so much fun. This was during Holifestival, guys. It's the celebration of color. And we throw powder at each other, and we had our own private party here, and the kids were my extras, if you will. And of course, they were the stars of the music video. Their energy and their love and excitement matched the song so well. We went to Vrindavan, which is the capital of, if you will, of the Holifestival. It's one of the main cities. And, well, what do you think happens when foreigners get on the street? Well, you get slaughtered with powder and, people taking photos. It's really, really cool. very loving, very fun. And everyone's looking really happy, right? But it's partially because they're high off of this powdered milk. This stuff right here, it's got some weed in it, lots of concentrated weed. No, I didn't have any, but I was naturally high. But as you can see, as the day goes on here, people are just drinking more of the milk, celebrating life in all its glory. It's just such a unique experience. I will say, if you decide to do Holifestival, wear earplugs. There's my beautiful family. But yeah, it was such a blast, guys. Such a unique experience. Happy Holi! Oh man, it was gorgeous. This is my favorite location of both videos. This was one of the temples that I saw in Vrindavan, and we did some drone shooting and some performance scenes here. Had the pleasure of getting to hang out with some of the monks. That was really dope. From Vrindavan, we went back to Old Delhi, and guys, let me tell you, filming in the back of a carrier cart that's normally for vegetables and nuts was a trip. They were very confused why this gringo wanted to sit in the back of this deal and play his guitar. Well, we really wanted to be a part of the town and the city, and some of the reaction we got was just fantastic. And keep in mind, everything we filmed for these videos was one take, because you only really had one take to do everything. There was no redos. We were very lucky with the weather, because we'd start filming, and then the moment we were done, it would start pouring rain. This kid is amazing. This kid just randomly ran up to me, and he made the video. This dude made the video. People are just so friendly, and we had such a great time filming. The energy was glorious. These are all shots, obviously, from Alexander Suplicy, and my favorite photographer in the world. Guy's fantastic. You could see the people, just how loving and friendly they are. From the people on the street to the kids that you meet. It's just amazing. Thank you all so very much for joining me on my trip to India. I hope that this inspired you to one day visit this beautiful country and meet these amazing people. You only regret the things in life that you don't do, so don't have regrets. And now, a little of me playing at the Hard Rock.